Alright, show y'all what this look like. I'm gonna cut that what I got outlined out, and these holes right here, I'm gonna plug these, cut this out. And cut them out, should be good. Plasma cutter, and y'all probably won't see that because I don't have a plasma cutter. I have to go to a buddy shop and do that, and then I'm gonna cut these off and gonna plug them holes also. So like I said, all this right here will be opening, and not only will I be getting the smoke, I also will be getting the heat now, and then if I need my gas, ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at that. I like that. Might just leave it right there. My doggone welder ain't acting right. I'm gonna have to borrow somebody's welder. There we go. Alright. Got it in there. Still gotta do some adjustments. But she's in there. All I gotta do now is attach the box to the frame. She's in there. She's in there. I gotta put my plug in there. Gotta weld that plug up. Yeah, she's gonna be ready. Looks good in there. Looks good. Stay tuned. Alright, right here I got the 1/2 inch rebar. I got two 10-foot sticks, and I'm gonna make a grate to hold my wood in the firebox. And it's gonna be 16 inches by 20. And I got this idea off of somebody I seen on YouTube. Cause the grate that was in mine, it's all brittle, it's all broke up. So this is the cheapest route right here. This rebar, a 10-foot stick, 1/2 inch, is about $8.50 at Home Depot or your Lowe's. All right. Alright, this is what it's gonna look like. Gotta get it all welded up. And I'm gonna weld it on top of my firebox. So, and then I'm gonna weld the legs on, and I'll bring y'all back on. Alright, as you can see, it's made. It's not perfectly square, but it is square. And it'll work for what I wanted to do. And it will work. So that is my wood grate made out of rebar. Just to give you an idea. Because if you go and try to buy one of those wood grates, it's very expensive. Alright, this firebox is done. Got that welded on. Got my wood grate in there. Okay. I got my 12 by 12 hole cut in the firebox. If you can remember, there was a pipe here, and once I cut the pipe off, there was a hole there and a hole there. Got them plugged up, and it's ready for paint. We're gonna get it back on the smoker. I had to get me a new welder, and show you that weld. Nothing to brag about, but it'll work. Alright. Y'all tell me what you think about this firebox. See in there now. This firebox is a 1/4 inch thick, and it's complete.